Hi, once again I'm back, Kaushik Chatterjee. In this video, we are going to discuss again on same continuation as I told you. So we are going to discuss a lot of home loan products now. So in this video, we are going to discuss again a very important product. Most of the people, even once they purchase their house, once they are planning to uh, enter their house, they will renovate or they will do some kind of improvement work. And typically this product is known as improvement home loan or renovation home loan, right? So what exactly all about this? So this is very simple, as I told you. Now let's say somebody has purchased a new house, or let's say somebody has purchased an old house, whatever. It could be a new house, it could be a old house, whatever it is. So now I need to do some kind of works. Let's say if I look out, let's say some kind of tiling work, some kind of flooring work, some kind of let's say sanitary work, let's say some kind of plumbing work, let's say some kind of whitewashing, all this kind of works if I want to do actually, just to improve whatever the condition right now it is, right? So that will be exactly known as my improvement loan. On this, whatever my current situation of my house, on this even I want to improve little bit, and for that definitely, as I told you, so I need to look out for a financial institute help, and that is known as my improvement loan. Now similar is renovate loan also. So what is renovate loan? You want to just give a new look, entirely new things. Now let's say I can tell you, now let's say it can be an interior, or let's say it could be your kitchen modular kind of things. So already it is there. Let's say you have, let's say, old pattern kind of things, you want to give an entirely a new look. So you want to just give a new renovation, I can say. For this also, whatever you want to do, same, it will be known as my renovation loan. So for that, again the same thing. So if either I want to improve, either I want to renovate, so whatever my purpose on my old house, on my new house, and for that, if I'm looking out some kind of financial institute help, apart from my own money, I need some kind of financial help. For that, even you have to go to a bank, you have to take a call with a financial institute, and what they will give you, the money what they will give you, that is known in this home loan. It is like improvement loan, or it is a renovation loan. So both are same. Ideally both are same. The name itself is different, but both are same. The function of loan is same. The parameter of this loan is same. The purpose of the loan is same, right? So these two also very important. I need to know like what type of loan I'm looking, what pattern of loan even I'm looking, right? So if any questions, any kind of doubt, any other uh, uh, like discussion, if you want, you're always welcome, as I told you. So either you can reach me through a chat box, or let's say you can send me directly a mail. So I'll be happily ready to help you out for any further questions. Thanks for watching.